Hello guys, this is Krishna Assist. How are you all? You are watching Tats Guru channel and I will teach you future continuous tense in this video. We will discuss definition, rule and some important examples which you can use in your life as well, and just understand. Okay, this will be part first guys. It means we had done already part simple future tense. If you didn't watch previous video, go back and watch them, okay, because that video is really important. And if you are preparing for teaching exam as well, so please do watch my video sessions on CDP, child development and pedagogy. Definitely, if you are preparing, if you are working hard, I would say definitely you will need CDP, because HSTAT exam is coming up, CTAT exam is coming up, and definitely you will need CDP. Okay, level first, level second, level third. You can watch so many videos on my YouTube channel Tats Guru. But in this video I will teach you future continuous tense. How can you use future continuous tense? We will discuss definition, rule and some important examples as I said. So guys, let's get started. First of all, we will discuss a definition of future continuous tense. Future continuous tense represents a continuous action. This is represent a continuous action. Action is continuous, which will happen. What is the meaning of continuous? Which will happen in future. Okay, because whenever we make some sentence on future continuous tense, definitely we pay our attention on the term future, because we will use that action in future. Okay, but we are representing that action, we are saying that action in present. Okay, suppose I want to do something tomorrow I want to do something, day after tomorrow I want to do something. I have a plan, and just I want to do something for that, so I will need future continuous tense. Action is continuous. What is the meaning of continuous? That will happen in future. Simple as that. For example, suppose I will be writing articles on different topics. Okay, action is writing articles, but that will occur in future. I will be writing articles on different topics. Is that clear? Okay, so there are so many sentences I have. Let's get them. First of all, we will discuss the framing rule. Framing rule is very simple. Whatever the subject, first person, second person, third person, I think you are aware of them, because I have taught you so many times on this channel. First person, second person, third person, and this is a auxiliary verb. This is verb first form plus ing. Write becomes writing, play becomes playing, and eat becomes eating, something like that, and then object comes. To show you, I have an example. Just see that I subject will be is an auxiliary verb. Play becomes playing. Play is first form, playing tomorrow, this time, because that will happen tomorrow. That's why I will be playing tomorrow this time. I hope you got my point, and now you are capable to make so many sentences on the basis of future continuous tense. Okay, let's get started, friends. It's time to bring up some useful examples. The first example I have: they will be playing football in that field. Simple example. They will be playing football in that field. Krish will be going to the library. Krish will be going to the library. Krish will be going to the library. Whatever you write, you gotta speak. You gotta speak yourself. We will be shopping in that market this Tuesday. We will be shopping in that market this Tuesday. Okay, Let's speak them once again. They will be playing football in that field. Krish will be going to the market. Sorry, Krish will be going to the library. We will be shopping in that market this Tuesday. Simple. Now let's get started to the next slide. We will be watching a movie in this Cineplex on next Friday. We will be watching a movie in this Cineplex on next Friday. On next Friday. We will be watching a movie in this Cineplex on next Friday. You will be shopping at that market tomorrow. 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 The poet will be writing a romantic poem for the program. The poet will be writing a romantic poem for the program. The poet will be writing a romantic poem for the program. Okay, let's revise them once again. We will be watching a movie in this Cineplex on next Friday. You will be shopping at that market tomorrow. The poet will be writing a romantic poem for the program. Okay, that's it guys for this video session, and I will come up with next video session next time. Thank you very much. If you have not subscribed the channel, please do subscribe. I hope you got all the point that I taught you today in this video session. Thank you very much for watching this video session. Thank you दोस्तों.